Okay, this is actually year 7 revision where we've got those parallel lines and a transverse line across. These are parallel lines even though they don't have little arrows on them. Yep, okay. And we've got to work out, we've got to remember alternate angles, corresponding angles, co-interior angles, supplementary angles and vertically opposite angles and what they mean and what they do. So let's start with, I guess green will do, alternate. So what can we say about those two angles there? You can just see that they're the same angle. They are alternate angles. Alternate angles, some people talk about the Z rule because it's a Z, but it's maths, you need to know the right name. Okay, what else could be some alternate angles? Well, I reckon D and E are also the same angle. Guess what? They are alternate angles as well. Which is where the Z rule, the name the Z rule doesn't really work because, does that look like a Z? Not really. Anyway, so both the green and the yellow are alternate angles and they're the only alternate angles there. Nothing else is an alternate angle. Okay, corresponding angles. Let's go with blue. Can you see that B and F are the same? They are corresponding. They correspond to each other and they are the same. So I should have wrote that down here. Alternate angles are equal. It's an E, E-Q-U-A-L. Equal. Corresponding angles are equal. I did it again. Some people will, okay, let's do another pair of corresponding angles. Can you see that D and H are the same angle? They're corresponding. Sometimes corresponding is talked about the F angle, the F rule. So the F. Again, I don't like it. They're corresponding angles. You need to know the right terminology. So there's an F in there. The thing with corresponding angles is that there's more than just those two. So let's go with, how many colours have I got? Orange. Can you see that C and G are the same? How about A? Oh, I've already got blue. Red. A and E. All those same colours, the red, the orange, the yellow and blue, they're all corresponding. So that A and that E are the same angle. You can see that they're the same angle and they're called corresponding. Okay. If I was walking up this line and I turned left and then I turned left again, I will have turned through 180 degrees, and that's how you remember that inside here, D plus F add up to 180 degrees. D and F are both on the inside of that little track there, inside co-interior. So co-interior add to 180 degrees. D and F are co-interior angles. C and E are co-interior angles. So I don't know what they are, but whatever C is plus whatever E is must add up to 180. Co-interior angles add to 180. What else we got? Supplementary and adjacent angles. Well, I'm going to draw that down here. It's confusing how they've got two names, but both of them mean the same thing. Adjacent is another word for beside. So here, the green angle and the yellow angle are beside each other, and we're going to say that there's 180 degrees in a straight line, so adjacent angles add to 180. That's the reason that if this is 30, then that is 150, because there's 180 degrees in a straight line. Adjacent angles add up to 180. We can also see adjacent angles in there's a straight line, so A and B are adjacent. Whatever A is plus B must equal 180. So they can be anywhere. Vertically opposite. Can you see that whatever angle that is, that's the same? Okay, they are vertically opposite and they are equal. So vertically opposite angles are equal. Interestingly enough, I don't really know why it's vertically opposite, because that green angle and that green angle, they're the same as well. And we would also say that the green and the green are the same because they're vertically opposite, even though they're not vertical, they're just opposite. Vertically opposite angles are equal. Okay, that's a revision from grade 7. Hope you enjoyed it.